Hello YouTube, this is Dom from DaretoBeCreative, and I'm here with some more bag toppers using the old AliExpress heart bag topper and some punches, and I probably don't have them all out, but in this old Amy Tangerine paper collection, I was using up the scraps because I'm down to the wire. There's Fisker one. A leaf by Marty. The heart. That bird. And yeah, and it's another one. My butterfly punch. I don't know where it is, which I said in the other video. But it's one of the layer one by Fiskars. Yeah, and I like the dimension on it. It's a that's hello. And of course I backed the hello twice and I added some little bling. So it's two layers. I put the black behind it to make it look like a shadow. Yeah. So I just made 4 of those. This is a different paper bag collection. Excuse me. And I only had one sheet and I forgot to, it's on the tip of my tongue. But I didn't see any more left. But this is a punch on the side right here. This one right here, cut in half. It's a little doily. Very simple and plain. Just says hello. That has a lot of sheen to it. And then I made these with a different, I don't know where the stamen and this floral punch is from. I can't remember, and then that's the leaf punch. So I just made 4 of those with the metallic thread in the background, just to add a little bit more dimension. And then the last one is this one. Another one again with the hello and the butterfly, just different placement. And again, you got your dimension on your butterflies. Building my stash. So that's my little quick little haul. Not haul. Quick little project share. So I was just having some fun making. And this is a great way to use the last couple of pages, some of my scraps up. And yeah, good way to get rid of some of the paper. So anyway, thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.